Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to make a strawberry leg warmer. So for this we need some instrument and those are written above. So for this leg warmer we are going to use two color of yarn and a 4mm hook and a measuring tape. So the color will be red and green. First of all we are going to make the head part, the green one. So in this green one we are going to chain 12 and let's start it. So first we are going to make a knot, a slip knot. So we are going to do a yarn over and a pull through, yarn over, pull through. So we are going to do like continuously and make a chain of 12 and I will meet you at the end. Now count 3 chains from your hook and we are going to do a half double crochet chain to it from to the end. So we are going to do a yarn over, insert in a loop, another yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. So we are going to repeat this again and I will meet you at the end. So after making this chain of half double crochet we can count and we will have 10 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So after making the 10 chain of half double crochet we are going to do a 2 chain and we are going to turn our work and do a yarn over and we are going to do a half double crochet in back loops only and we are going to repeat this process until we make our M1. Repeat the process of making a loop of half double crochet in the back. So after this you can see we have a half double crochet of 42 chain for the M1 and we are going to end this. Now making the first part of M1 we are going to repeat the process to make another pair. After making the another pair we are going to make the body part. So I have already made one part of the red one, so you can see the body will be of red color since we are going to make a red strawberry. So we are going to use the red yarn. We are going to make a single chain of 53. The process will be same as the green one we did before. We are going to use the same process and now we are going to do the half double crochet. Yarn over, after 2 chain, half double crochet to end. Now we are just going to repeat the process for M2 just like we did the M1 and we are going to make a chain, half double crochet chain of 51 here. You can just repeat this process and I will meet you at the end. Now the M1 and M2 is complete and we are going to sew this both together from there to here. For sewing this both together, you can use a darning needle or a hook. I'm going to use a hook since I am more comfortable with my hook and it looks a bit more okay. So you can just do a yarn over pull through and a yarn over single crochet of one row. So after connecting M1 and M2, now we are going to connect like with the body part to make it a loop. So for sewing this, you can see the front part we have a line there. We are going to use the uppermost area we are going to insert our hook, and next line we are going to use the inner one. There you can see holes, and we are going to insert our hook and make a loop, start to make a loop, and repeat the process as we did to connect the edge M1 and M2. We are going to use two type of color. For the body part we are going to use the red color, and for the head M1 we are going to use the green to sew them all both together. After sewing the M1 and M2 we are going to just connect the loop, and now after making those we are going to make the bow and pom-pom. For making the bow we are going to leave a 10-inch long tail, and we are just going to repeat like we did at the first. We are going to make a single chain of 120. After making the chain of bow we are going to do a one chain and make another tail of 10 inches and cut it out, and we are going to repeat the same process to make another bow. After making it we are going to make a pom-pom. We are going to make a pom-pom of 4. To make a pom-pom we are going to take our 3 fingers and wrap it around for 30 times. After wrapping it around we are just going to fasten it, and now we are going to take it on our both point finger and middle thumb finger. Now we are going to wrap around the yarn, and now as you can see it looks like a bow, small one. We are going to tie both the ends together, and we are going to cut it. And now we're going to just cut a little bit of string to make it look like a pom-pom, and you just have to repeat it 4 times to make the other pom-pom for your leg warmer. And now we're going to use a darning needle, and now we're going to take our work and weave through the chain. So we are going to weave through the ribbings like back and forth, and we are going to repeat. While ribbing, just leave some of the bow outside. Just we are going to continue doing the back and forth weaving. We're going to leave a chain and continue. You can just rip leaving a 1/2 double crochet rope and continue as it look more good and comfortable. So as you can see, the ribbing process is done. Now we are going to connect this bow and pom-pom together. The 10 inches tail which we left, we are going to use darning needle again, and we are going to just stitch it within the pom-pom. After weaving it with the pom-pom, we are going to tie it together and cut the end of the yarn. So yarn with the same length as the pom-pom, and we're just gonna repeat the same process for the other trees.